Have you ever been to an island? Yes, I am living in an island, but I am also visiting an island in an island. Isn't it exciting? This is a Wednesday morning, and we are traveling to the south in Oslo. Special thanks to Uncle Rooney for sending us there, which is convenient for us. Here, this is the bus stop. We're going to the north, buses are located. Dili na ni first time mo adto sa akong mama o ni Shelo, nakaado na ni sila previously. But anyhow, excited gyapon me. And then, ako sad. Here, my sister is making sure na comfortable akong parents. O diba, very doting daughter, pretty. And here, makakita ka sa dagat, kini-car ni siya, which is famous for chicharon. I wasn't really able to sleep kay Jai. Excited kayo ko. Tanaw sa gawas ilang mga fish pond, sa palayan, and overwhelmed kay ko na time. And then, kini siya nag-bus stop na me where you can pee and we bought an ice cream. After another hour drive, abot na mi sa Oslo Blue Water Resort. Here, before ka mo sa island, na sila yung reception na mo kuha sa imuhang mga details para abot mo dito sa island. Okay na kayo. Now, departing time, nasa own na pambot padong dito. And really accommodating kay sila. The staff, and kini siya hangin kay siya na time. Really, kusog kay ang hangin na taligsik siya, which is, I found it na blessing sa siya. Like, welcoming. The island is really nice, and the workers, oh my gosh, top-notch kayo yung lahang support. Here, I am so excited because we finally arrived. It's really nice. At first, before nakita rin siya nako sa pictures sa akong parents with ni Shella, but now, I am here. Arriving, it's already 1 p.m. So we had our buffet lunch, which is really good. And we're just waiting for our room para makasod na mi. After like 30 minutes, okay na ang room, and naa sila golf cart na mo send na mo dito, and also ang among mga gamit na dito. I am so amazed. I mean, overwhelming kay na nice kayo ang view kay directly outside kay dagat na. Imagine, that's really nice. And here is our room. Please room tour, Michelle. Yeah, there are 2 beds and a couch and a very spacious na CR. And here, feeding time na sa mga shark. Yes, shark. Wala mo nagkamali o dungog. It's a shark. After that, nag-refresh mi ni Shelo, nagkayak na dayon mi sa ilahang little lake. At first, excited kay ko, lingaw kay mi. Pero mingaw man siya. Uy, mingaw kay siya, and it's scary. Sorry na, pagbigyan. Wala kay ko ka-record sa all-day tour na mo. Kani, the following day, buntag na ni. Kaya I was so excited and I am into the moment at that time because spending time with my parents in a very beautiful island. So, kani siya na time, early morning na ni, nag-sunrise watching me, and see, very fresh ang air directly sa beach. What else could you ask for? And here, na din akong parents, they're having coffee time before me mo adto para sa breakfast. Wala na ko kay ba kung unsa ni moment, but this is, I think, afternoon. So we're just chilling out after the morning activities that we had. Just romanticizing this beautiful place. And here, following day na sad ni, 3rd day na ni namo. See, outfit check, same mi anang tulo. Of course, Tres Marias, well, upat mi kabok pero si Alot na pas Canada, so tulo sa mi. See how nice it is to have the same outfit with my mom and my sister. Anyways,
Going to the sandbar. Yay! Sandbar at the 3rd? Second.
here is the famous sandbar of Oslo. There's a lot of beautiful things to do here in an island. One of these are the beach. Spending time in this island made me realize that people should experience this kind of things. And in order to do that, we should all work hard. Yalla!